Hey there, so today we have another video and I'm happy to announce that I am one of the winners of the Founders 20th Anniversary Contest. I'm really excited. On October 13th to 15th, I'll be flown out there, I'll have somewhere to stay, and I have an entry to visit and check out the celebration that they're gonna have for their 20th anniversary. Congrats to Founders. So let's go back to step one. 20 years ago, the founders of the brewery had opened Founders Brewing. And obviously this was an ambitious decision for them and it had a lot of challenges. So they posted a video asking people to post a 1-minute video about a time where they decided to make a large decision in their life. And this obviously very much resonated for me. I can't wait to hear the stories of the other people that won the contest, but this one specifically really hit me really hard because 3 years ago, I sat down for the bar exam. 2.5 years ago, I got sworn in as an attorney, and I've been in the beer industry for 2 years now. Recently got certified Cicerone. I've been working all places in the industry, just really working hard to get my foot through the door and find the place where I think I should be at in the industry. So working hard on that. And so talk about making a decision to really impact your life and do something towards craft beer. I strongly think like I really gave up everything for it all. So, and I don't regret it. I don't regret it. There are definitely days that it's hard, but I look forward to the day where I'm, definitely happy about making this decision. So, really, really excited. I can't wait to visit. It's been a long time since I've been to Michigan. And so obviously I'll be bringing you guys some content. I'll be really excited to meet the team there, meet the other contestants. Really cool stuff. Absolutely can't wait. And just to bring it more, back to what I was talking about earlier. Every day to work, I'm currently bartending. I have to walk by the Jacob Javits Center in New York City, which is one of the largest convention centers in New York City. And it's not a place you generally walk by, but to work, I have to walk by there. And it's crazy to think about. 3 years ago, myself and hundreds of other aspiring attorneys had to sit down for the New York bar exam. That a terrible 10 weeks of studying your butt off and taking a 2-day exam that took forever. That was incredibly hard. That is a culmination of your 3 years of law school and your undergrad, I guess, and all that stuff. It's one of those moments you don't forget, and it's such a weird kind of life shifting, brain thing when you walk by that building, and I'm like going to work every day, back and forth, seeing that building, thinking about 3 years ago, and then now like where I'm at. So a little crazy, and obviously this year has been filled with a lot of downs, but also some amazing news. This is definitely one of the highlights of the year so far for me. So hopefully this trip brings more great news in the future. I can't wait. Thank you all for so much for the support. Thank you so much, Founders. Congrats to 20th anniversary. I'll be celebrating with you soon. Until next time, cheers. Later.